Yeah, good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. I want to talk about this ongoing, or should I say, just concluded Rivers State local government election. You see, every day Nigerians are seeing the things that are teaching them lessons that this country is no longer a country. But a lot of people fails to understand. A lot of people fails to understand the handwriting on the wall. Now, despite people are happy that they are knocking Wike and Tinubu from left to the right, up and down, that the Rivers people do not agree for, the federal might to take away their own will. But I am still telling people that both what Wike is doing, both what Fubara is doing, they are all nonsense. They are all nonsense, absolutely nonsense. Now, let me tell you, it is only Nigeria we see someone who belongs to two political parties. You see, Fubara is under PDP and he is using APP to rig the whole local government election. See, I am a kind of person that I am not biased in everything I say. Both Wike and Fubara, they are not serious and they are part of the establishment that have destroyed the country. Wike is worst. Fubara is just trying to teach Wike lesson that he learned from him. All of them are doomed. Like Nigeria is all, always doomed. But people fail to realize it. Now, everybody's happy now, APP, everywhere we in APP, they are rigging election. It's the same thing. It's not about the vote of the people. It is all about who rig pass or who gets swag pass, who oppress pass. Wike is learning in Rivers State on how to oppress people because they are teaching him lesson now. And I think Wike, have to learn the lesson. And you have to learn it in a very, very hard way. Now, coming to look at my own concept, why I'm making this video and why I'm sounding this way is because anytime it favors some persons, they won't think, is this right or wrong? They won't think about that. Is this right or wrong? They will only think, hey, since it's favoring us, no problem. The other day, we are angry that the election was rigged in Edo State. And all these things, I am happy because it's a proof to what I have been telling you people, that we don't have a nation, that Nigeria is doomed, that we don't have a country anymore. This is a failed state. Now, in my previous video, some persons were asking me questions like, okay, what should we do? If this is a failed state, Nigeria has failed, what are we going to do? What we should do is very simple. We should advocate that power should go back to the original people. We should advocate that Nigeria should be divided. We should advocate that. That is just the only thing we have to do now. Nigeria should be divided. Now, another question people are asking me is that, come on, if Nigeria divides, how does it stop the crisis in Rivers State? Now, let me tell you. Do you think that the crisis in Rivers State right now is a Rivers crisis? No. Some people are making mistakes, but I will not join them to make the mistake because I think twice before I speak. Now, the battle going on in Rivers State is all about the federal government. Abuja is against the people. Abuja is the one causing problem. Abuja is the one influencing some judges to give the counter order against their fellow, judges, which is a state of anarchy people don't know. That is chaos, anarchy, and doom. But people don't know. Now, not only that, Abuja, they are not on your side. They are always thinking about next election. Now, right now, what Tinubu is thinking about is 2027 presidential election. And that is why he told them that, Edo State, you people should give it to me. Rivers, you people should give it to me. If I have these two states, then I will do they are just planning on how to rig election in the year 2027. And that is all you are seeing right now. There is nothing much you are seeing right now. It's all about how to rig election comes 2027. And I'm telling everyone who is clapping now that don't clap into your sorrow. Everything going on in Nigeria right now is a proof that the country has failed. Don't clap into your sorrow. Don't clap into your weeping. Don't join them. Both the side of Fubara, both the side of Wike, they are all nuisance. They are all constituting nuisance. People are clapping. I don't clap for evil. All those things they are doing, both Wike and Fubara, they are doing what they are doing is totally evil. Now, there is what they call Hyena hypothesis. I talked about it last week. I said everything we are doing in Nigeria, we are just trying your luck and fail. Try your luck and fail. Try your luck and fail. We are on a hypothesis that we are not going to arrive at a positive result. Yeah. No positive result. Have you ever seen any year that Nigerian gets better? Have you ever seen every year since 1960 where you see a leader that is more better than another leader, especially from the 1999 in this advent of what they themselves call political regime? But for me, it's not, it's not a political regime. That is not politics. We don't have politics or democracy in Africa. So when you look at the situation, you will understand that every president leading is always, worse than the predecessor. Obasanjo to Yaradua. Yaradua did not finish for us to know whether he will fend or pass. To good luck, they say good luck fail. To Buhari. Buhari is the worst. Bam. Emilio Kanland. Everybody is now saying, oh, Buhari is a saint. Buhari is a saint. Buhari is a saint. Let me tell you, no matter who we take from Emilio Kanland, the person will still be worse. If you like, go and import angel to come to the Aso Rock there. The system is bad. The system is bad and Nigeria is not meant to exist. So what we should do is for us to advocate for our own separate state. Nigeria should be divided into 7. Into 7. Everybody go and solve your own problem. In every tribe, we have bad people. In every tribe, we have good people. Yes. Then let everybody go and fight their battle. Let everybody go and address their issue. If, for example now, there is no Abuja, who is wicked to cause problem in River State if not because of Abuja? Tell me, if not because of Abuja, who is wicked to cause crisis in River State? Who born now? Which kind of power he get? Which kind of money he gets? If not because of Abuja, who is wicked to come out to boast that he is going to put fire in so many states? Who is wicked? Who is wicked? People should be very careful on how you support everything about Nigeria. Nigeria is doomed. It's not going to work again. That is my assertion, and I know what I'm saying. Nigeria is doomed and doomed forever. All these things you are doing in River State, you are doing everywhere. Look, it's just trying your luck, of which nothing is going to work. It will only lead them to doom. You have to know this for you to have peace.
Our people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. As we are talking,
with the video, I'm not able to bring the video. As I said to the video, that's the video.
weekends, soldiers, weekends, police, whoever, had been flying over my house and my compound in the last 30 minutes with 2 helicopter gunships. I have the capacity to contain them. Nigeria cannot surrender to Wike. Rivers people will not surrender to Wike. Ijaw people will not surrender to Wike. I have the capacity to contain them. And the government knows that I have the capacity to contain them. As I've been containing other people. Let them tell Wike to back off. I am 60 years old. I've never been afraid of death. I've always embraced death. I'd always embraced death. So I am not afraid of death. So all those who are there, when the helicopter is shot down, let nobody blame them. I didn't go and look for the helicopter to shoot them down. I will shoot down the helicopter. I will shoot down the helicopter. I swear by Allah that I will shoot down the helicopter. Whoever is commanding them should be warned that I will shoot the helicopter down. Enough is enough. That Tinubu will hand over River State into slavery. The Wike is nobody. Without this panaflexion, it's nobody. Wike is nobody. Let them remove this thing from him now. I think he has billions. He knows the market. He has bought guns for his men. Let them remove this thing from him. And let us see. Go and vote. I will go and vote. I will vote, and you see me vote. Nothing will happen. We vote, result will be announced. Chairman will be sworn in, and we will see. Chairman will be sworn in, and we will see. I don't want to talk too much. We will not talk too much. There's a military formation in this community. We did not look for their trouble. Your father mad is a mungu. You cowardly Igbos. Do you think I'm like you people? You will see the capacity working. They will do until we go and catch wicked with our hands. And then you see our capacity. With the soldiers, we go and catch him with our hands.